How to replace the motor of an 8-slot station. First, unplug the power cord, turn the station to the back and you will see 6 screws used for fixing. Unscrew them, and pick up the back shell to see the module, motherboard, and 4 motors. Find the motor we want to replace, unscrew the screws, unplug the connection cable, take out a new motor and replace it. Put the screws back in place to complete the replacement. Install the back shell, and finally connect the power and wait for the QR code light to light up before using it normally.